Modern real estate practice, page 75. A real estate project in various ways. Some provide for the real estate to be owned by the entity. Others provide for direct ownership by the investors. Partnership. A partnership is an association of two or more persons who carry on a business for profit as co-owners. In a general partnership, all the partners participate in the operation and management of the business and share full liability for business losses and obligations. A limited partnership consists of one or more general partners as well as limited partners. The business is run by the general partner or partners. The limited partners are not legally permitted to participate, with the result that each can be held liable for business losses only to the amount invested. The limited partnership is a popular method of organizing investors because it permits investors with small amounts of capital to participate in large real estate projects with minimum personal risk. If a partner in a general partnership dies, withdraws, or goes bankrupt, the traditional common law result would be to dissolve the partnership, which could be reorganized as a partnership of the surviving partners in order to conduct business. Nearly every state has now adopted the Uniform Partnership Act, which provides for the continuation of the existing business even under these circumstances. In a limited partnership, the partnership agreement may provide for the continuation of the organization after the death or withdrawal of one of the partners. Corporations. A corporation is a legal entity, an artificial person created under the authority of the laws of the state from which it receives its charter. A corporation is managed and operated by its board of directors, who are selected by the owners of the corporation, its shareholders. The members of the board of directors then usually select the officers who are responsible for the day-to-day operation of the corporation. The corporate charter sets forth the powers of the corporation, including its ability to buy and sell real estate, based on a resolution by the board of directors. Because the corporation is a legal entity, it can own real estate in severalty or as a tenant in common with other natural or artificial persons. Some corporations are permitted by their charters to purchase real estate for any purpose. Others are limited to purchasing only the land necessary to fulfill the entity's corporate purposes. As a legal entity, a corporation continues to exist until it is formally dissolved. The death of one of the officers or directors does not affect title to property owned by the corporation. Limited liability companies. The limited liability company, LLC, is a relatively recent form of business organization in this country, becoming popular only since about 1980. Although it has been used in Europe for over a century, an LLC combines the most attractive features of limited partnerships and corporations. The members of an LLC enjoy the limited liability offered by a corporate form of ownership. In addition, the LLC offers the tax advantages of a partnership income flows directly to the member of the LLC instead of being subject to the double taxation of a corporation, with income taxed when received by the corporation and then taxed again when received as dividends by the shareholders. In addition, the LLC offers a flexible management structure without the complicated requirements of a corporation or the restrictions of a limited partnership. The structure and methods of establishing a new LLC or of converting an existing entity to the LLC form vary from state to state.